Beef tripe is one of those dishes that you will either hate or love. Personally, I love beef tripe so much because it used to be our family staple while growing up. And I have also learned the various ways of making this. So I'm gonna be sharing with you how to make this South African beef tripe recipe, aka Mogodu or Matumbu. I hope I pronounced that well. So I'm gonna start by cleaning the beef tripe. So let me show you how. Dip all the beef tripe pieces in water and then use a slice of lemon to scrub the surface. As you do this, you will notice those tiny debris or dirt falling off effortlessly. You can try to peel off the thin layer from the tripe and also cut off excess fat as you clean. When you peel off this thin layer, it makes the cleaning process less time consuming. So once you have done that, continue to scrub with your lemon until the entire surface is clean and nice to look upon. So we are also going to be using the intestine for this recipe. Basically, you will have to squeeze the intestine firmly with your fingers to help empty out all the fluid-like liquid. You will want to repeat the squeezing process for about 2 to 3 times to make sure the intestine is completely empty and clean. Don't also forget to scrape out excess fat from the surface. Some people even slice the intestine open to make the cleaning process easy. So if you have a little knife, you can just put it through the hole and slice it to open it up. Once you're done cleaning all of these tripe pieces, go ahead and rinse them with clean water for about 2 to 3 times. Now, place them in a bowl and add a generous amount of salt. Also squeeze in 2 lemon juice. Leave this in a bowl of water to soak for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can come back to this, rinse them properly to get rid of the salt and lemon juice. You can see your beef tripe is properly cleaned up. Now let's bring the clean tripe into a large pot and then season with salt, cayenne pepper, curry powder, crushed garlic, grated ginger, and beef stock cubes. Also add some chopped onions to it and remember to keep some of those onions behind. Once you've added all of these, go in with about 4 cups of water. Now place the lid on, bring the tripe to a boil for about 1.5 hours. While the tripe is cooking, try to chop up all the veggies you're gonna be using. For this tripe recipe, you'll be needing both red and green bell peppers. Go ahead and slice them and then chop into medium-sized pieces. Once you're done, set all of this aside. After 1.5 hours, you can come back to check on your beef tripe. You can paste this with a fork to check if it is tender enough. So this is what we are looking for. We're gonna be adding more seasoning to this. So I'm adding in some mixed spice Also go in with the remaining onions, diced tomatoes, the green and red bell peppers. Stir this properly to combine. Add more water to it and adjust for salt and pepper. Mix these very well to incorporate nicely. Place a lid over and bring to a boil for another 30 minutes. Once 30 minutes is over, you can come back to this. This is nice and it's really smelling good. I love this already. So add in some chopped herbs and then stir to combine. Let this simmer for just a minute. This beef tripe is so easy to make and it tastes amazingly delicious. Now you have successfully made your delicious South African Mogodu, aka beef tripe. So I wanna shout out to all my South African friends in the house. You are warmly welcome. So the best way for me to enjoy this delicacy is with boiled white rice. Guys, how do you cook your beef tripe? I would love to know your suggestions in the comments below. This beef tripe turned out undeniably delicious. The aroma, the seasoning, everything was perfectly combined. And I would like to make this again and again. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If this is your first time tuning on to Onyx Food Hill, you are welcome. Please remember to subscribe. Until next time, bye.